nursery and primary school. Welcome to exhibition. To my project on days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. First day is Sunday. Second day is Monday. Third day is Tuesday. Fourth day is Wednesday. Fifth day is Thursday. Sixth day is Friday. Seventh day is Saturday. Today is Thursday. Yesterday is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Friday. Thank you.